Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest and most luxurious transformations in the world of motorhomes, the 2025 Kenworth T680 Motorhome. This isn't just a truck converted into a living space. This is a full-blown luxury home on wheels, built for power, comfort, and unforgettable road trips. Starting with the design. The 2025 Kenworth T680 looks as aggressive as ever with its aerodynamic shape, wide grille, and signature LED lighting. But once you step around to the back, you realize this is no ordinary semi-truck. The sleeper cab has been extended and beautifully transformed into a premium motorhome setup. From the outside, it's sleek and commanding. On the inside, it's nothing short of a 5-star suite. Open the automatic side door, and you're welcomed into a climate-controlled interior with modern finishes. The walls are lined with elegant wood accents, leather seating, and soft LED lighting. The floor plan is smartly divided with a cozy lounge, a kitchenette, a compact dining area, and a spacious sleeping zone. Everything is designed to maximize comfort without sacrificing the truck's rugged performance. The kitchen area includes a microwave, an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and hidden storage compartments that make cooking on the road easy and efficient. Right next to it, there's a fold-out dining table that converts into a workstation, or even an extra sleeping space if needed. The real star of the show is the rear bedroom suite. It comes with a queen-sized bed, personal lighting, controls, smart blinds, and even a small entertainment system with surround sound. It's insulated for sound and temperature, ensuring you get a peaceful sleep no matter where you park. As for the tech, the 2025 T680 Motorhome is loaded. There's a touchscreen control center for managing lighting, HVAC, water systems, and even solar charging. It's fully off-grid, capable with rooftop solar panels and a high-capacity lithium battery system, meaning you can enjoy luxury living even in the most remote areas. Now, let's talk power. Under the hood, the T680 comes with a PACCAR MX-13 engine, pushing out up to 510 horsepower and a massive 1,850 pounds-ft of torque. This beast can handle cross-country adventures with ease while maintaining efficiency thanks to its advanced aerodynamics and improved drivetrain. Safety is also a top priority. It features adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, collision mitigation systems, and 360-degree cameras, making this motorhome not just powerful and comfortable, but also incredibly safe to drive. So, who is this for? The 2025 Kenworth T680 Motorhome is perfect for long-haul travelers, digital nomads, or retirees who want to explore the open road without compromising on comfort or capability. It combines the raw power of a commercial truck with the finesse of a luxury RV. That's it for today's review on Honest Auto Wheels. If you're dreaming of a road trip that never has to end, the 2025 Kenworth T680 Motorhome might just be your perfect ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more epic motorhome and truck reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.